Alright, well going for me. This week, well, not much never really going. I took 2 trades this week, and as you can see, I won. Well, yeah. This one I took because of this is what I saw. Remember I was telling you that in last week that when you price features, you're going to turn over. It did to some extent, but if you check back a bit, you can see that see if I can put it on the 24-hour. See if I can put it the 24-hour time seconds so I'm talking about. Remember I was marking it from all the way here, so I was like, alright, if it touch anywhere around this ballpark, because when you go down on a lower time frame, you're going to see. So if it touch this ballpark where I was like, this was the line, it will turn over. But it did a little bit, but then it didn't completely, because I was expecting like a big fall. But this is what actually took place. It instead retested at this point. So yeah, and then when I saw like, alright, so if you notice, like from the week, the 2 trades I took, I've just been taking a sell because it has been on an uptrend for a good little while now, and I was like, alright, maybe if it reach here or so, it going to turn over. If you notice, it's just been a bull run. But I don't know my opinion. I don't know what's happening, man. I don't know what's happening. But that's basically what happened with this trade. So I'm not telling purple trade and it turned over. Funny thing is with this trade, I set up everything on the chart and everything, and I guess I was so tired I completely forgot to actually enter the trade. And then wake up, my normally just go up on the chart first, go up on the chart and say yes. Only for say yo, I never enter nothing. So hey, we did just, get fudge. Wait. Plus, like coming like right here, so which would be the week, like this area, I didn't bother entering on it because I was like between zones, right? And just been consolidating for the longest while. So I just waited till it was at a zone when we can try. You have a high possibility of getting a turnover. Then but that wasn't the case, and here I am trying to explain. But then not much really go on this week, honestly. Nothing much more go on this week. I actually lost Monday's week, so not a long ridiculous video for this week, but that's it. I don't know. I think like what I should do is probably like do some forecasting, but it's up to you guys. If you feel like I should do some forecasting as to what will happen the following day, or what will happen like in the following week or so, it's really up to you guys how what you guys believe I should do. Alright. So if you guys cool with that, then just let me know in the comment. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Peace.